Think you need a fancy degree or years of experience to work online? Think again. In 2025, remote work isn't just for tech pros and digital nomads. It's for anyone willing to learn and show up. Whether you're a student, a stay-at-home parent, or just looking for a fresh start, there are remote jobs you can start right now with zero experience. In this video, we'll reveal legit, beginner-friendly remote jobs that pay well and actually help you build long-term income. No scams, no fluff, just real opportunities you can grab today. Let's get into it. Today we will talk about best remote jobs you can start with no experience. So before we get started, make sure to hit that like button. Also subscribe to my channel. Data entry. Data entry is one of the most common ways people begin their remote work journey. It doesn't require special qualifications, just attention to detail, basic typing skills, and the ability to follow instructions. Companies hire remote workers to update records, transfer information, or organize spreadsheets. While the pay isn't sky-high to start, it's consistent, and it gets your foot in the door. You can find data entry jobs on sites like Upwork, Fiverr, Freelancer, or platforms like Clickworker and Microworkers. If you can deliver error-free work and meet deadlines, you'll quickly build a reputation and find more consistent gigs. Customer support representative. Companies are always looking for friendly, reliable people to handle customer inquiries by phone, chat, or email. As a remote customer support rep, your job is to assist customers, solve problems, and keep them satisfied. You don't need prior experience, just patience, communication skills, and a willingness to learn. Many companies provide training and scripts to help you succeed. And because support roles exist across every industry, you can find one that matches your interests, from tech to travel. Over time, these roles can lead to management positions or allow you to specialize in support systems and tools. Virtual assistant. Virtual assistants, or VAs, are like remote personal assistants. Businesses, entrepreneurs, and influencers hire them to manage tasks like emails, calendars, research, social media, and more. You don't need advanced skills, just organization, reliability, and a willingness to learn. This is one of the most flexible remote jobs you can start with no experience. As you get more clients and grow your skills, you can raise your rates or specialize in areas like social media, project management, or podcast support. Many successful freelancers started out as virtual assistants. Online tutor. If you're good at a school subject or fluent in a second language, you can become an online tutor. Companies like Cambly, Preply, and Tutor.com hire people to teach students one-on-one, often with no teaching degree required. What matters most is clear communication and the ability to explain things in a simple way. You don't have to be an expert. Many platforms offer training or resources to help you get started. And with students all over the world, you can often set your own hours and work around your schedule. Transcription work. Transcription involves listening to audio or video files and typing what you hear. It's used in legal, medical, and general business settings. If you're a good listener, can type fast, and pay close attention to detail, this could be a great starting point. Websites like Rev, Transcribium, and GoTranscript let you apply without experience. Over time, you can specialize in legal or medical transcription and earn higher rates. It's quiet, independent work that lets you go at your own pace. Freelance writing. You don't need a journalism degree or published portfolio to become a freelance writer. Many companies need blog posts, product descriptions, social media content, and more. And they often care more about your ability to write clearly than your background. Start by writing samples on topics you care about. Offer to write for free or low pay at first to build your portfolio. Platforms like TextBroker, iWriter, and Upwork are great places to find your first clients. Once you prove yourself, you can command higher rates and even niche down into technical writing, copywriting, or script writing. Social media manager. If you're always on social media and understand what types of posts get attention, You could become a social media manager. Small businesses and entrepreneurs often don't have time to manage their own accounts and will hire someone to do it for them. You don't need formal training, just a good eye for trends, captions, and content ideas. Start by managing accounts for friends or small local businesses. Once you build a track record, you can scale up and even offer content creation or advertising services. Online surveys and user testing. While this won't make you rich, online surveys and user testing are simple ways to make money online without any skills or experience. Websites like User Testing, Swagbucks, and Toluna pay users to give feedback on products, websites, or ads. These platforms won't replace a job, but they're useful for earning a little extra cash while you build up skills in other areas. It's a flexible option that works well alongside other remote gigs. Content moderator. A content moderator reviews content for websites, social media platforms, and forums to make sure it follows guidelines. That means checking for harmful, inappropriate, or spammy content, and either removing it or flagging it. These roles are usually remote and don't require a degree. You'll need to follow rules, use good judgment, and sometimes deal with sensitive content. Companies like Mod Squad and The Social Element often hire remote content moderators worldwide. Online researcher. If you're good at finding information quickly and accurately, you can work as an online researcher. Businesses, writers, and entrepreneurs often need help gathering data, statistics, competitor research, or summaries of complex topics. You don't need a research degree, just strong Google skills and the ability to organize information clearly. Websites like Wonder and Just Answer sometimes offer these roles. Remote sales representative. If you're confident talking to people and enjoy persuasion, remote sales can be a high-paying opportunity. Many companies provide full training and are happy to hire beginners with the right attitude. You might work in phone sales, lead generation, or live chat sales. Some roles offer commissions on top of a base salary, meaning your income grows with your performance. It's not for everyone, but if you're motivated and resilient, it's a great way to start a career in sales from home. Online community manager. Every brand with a social media presence or membership site needs someone to keep their audience engaged. That's where online community managers come in. They reply to comments, welcome new members, run discussions, and gather feedback. If you're friendly, organized, and good at managing groups online, this is a great role with room to grow. Voiceover artist. If you have a clear, pleasant voice, you can try remote voiceover work. You don't need acting experience, just a decent microphone and quiet recording space. You'll read scripts for YouTube videos, ads, audiobooks, or training material. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comments section below. Before you go, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.